Whoa, Mr. Schneider, I could do the smaller numbers, but these bigger numbers, they're just a waste of time. This is busy work, right? No. Oh, sorry. No, this is not busy work. This is let's think about math work, okay, which is super duper important. So let's organize our thoughts and see what we can do. So first off, a negative times a positive, negative 27 times 201. Answer should be negative. That's automatic. So let's throw that out the window and remember that our answer is negative. So now we have 27 times 201. Now remember, all mathematicians just want an easy way to do work. So let's find an easier way to do this. We know, so let's do a little ratio table. We know we have 127. And we want to figure out how much is in 201. Okay, so now let's take a look. I can get to 200, right? 200 times 27 is pretty easy. It's just 2 times 27 with 2 zeros. So 2 times 27 is 54. It goes to 4. And then add 2 zeros. Oh, but I'm not at 201 yet. I'm 1 away. Oh, I'm 1 away. Look, I know we have 200 of something and 1 of something. Add it together, you get 201. So add 27 and 5,400, and you get 5,427. And that is what 27 times 201 is. Oh, we need the negative. So it's negative 5,427. Okay, did I lose you? How'd you do? Let's do another one. 17 times negative 99. Okay, you can do this. So there's a positive and there's a negative and I'm multiplying. So the answer is going to be negative. Got to remember that. Okay, so if I were to write this in like a ratio table, I have 117. And I got to know how much 99 17s are. Well, what I do know is I know 100 17s. That's 1,700. And look, 199, they're just 1 away, and I already know 1. So if I do 100 minus 1, I get 99. So do 1,700 minus 17, and I'll get what that is. Okay? So 1,700 minus 17. So if I do an open number line at 1,700, ooh, if I drop it down, I need to drop it down 17, right? So if I drop it down 10, that is 1,690. If I drop it down 7 more, that's 1,683. There we go. So 1,683 is 17 times 99, but I have a negative. So the answer is negative 1,683. Now this isn't about taking away lattice or stacked. This is, if the opportunity presents itself, why don't you do less work? That's it. This is an easier way to do it if you just spend a second and think about what's close in the problem. Okay, let's look at another one. Negative 23 times negative 197. Well, we have a negative and a negative. They go together to make a positive. So 23 times 197. Well, if I do 123, my goal is to get 197 of them. Well, that's super close to 200. And so 2 times 23 is 46 with 2 zeros. Oh, but I'm 3 away. Okay, so let's just make 3. So if 1 is 23, 3 23s is 69. So 200 minus 3 is 197. So 4,600 minus 69, that's not going to be too bad. Let's do 4,600, and I want to minus 69. That's a lot of work. What if I just minus 70 instead? That would be 4,530. Now let's add 1. Then that's like minusing 69. So 4,531. And it's positive. So that's my answer, 4,531. That's what 23 times 197 is. Okay, one more. Negative 998 times 22. Well, the answer is negative. Remember that. So now we have 998 times 22. Okay, so we have 122, and we just need 998 of them. Well, I can get 1,000. That's 22 with 3 zeros. Oh, I'm just 2 away. 1,000 is 2 away from 998. So if I double, I get 44. So 1,000 minus 2 is 998. 22,000 minus 44 is, you can do it in your head or you can do an open number line if you want. How about we just minus 40? That's easier to start with. Do what we need out of 0. That would be 21,960. Then take 4 more away. So that would be 21,956. There we go. So, and the answer is negative. So the answer to what 998 times 22 is negative 998 times 22 is negative 21,956. Kind of cool, right?